welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is the September Beauty Box Club. So if you want to see what I've got this month, then make sure you keep watching. And if you like today's video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family and hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Jumping straight in, today we've got the September Beauty Box Club box. So I'm going to unbox and show you what I've received this month. If you see me looking down, it's because I'm just looking at the piece of paper here, which has all the info on it. Now I will put the price up that I paid for it on screen, which is $33.33 per month, and I will add up the total at the end so we can see whether it was worth the value for money. So jumping straight into the box, the first item that I have in here is actually a Super Nail Pro Gel Nail Polish. So this retails for $18.95. It is Pro Gel Super Nail that needs an LED or a UV light. It's 100% gel polish and it's in the shade City Lights. So this is how it comes. Now this is the colour here on the outside. I have opened it up and had a look. Definitely not my sort of colour. It's like a goldy green, like really dark colour. It's definitely not my colour, but I will definitely pass it on to someone who may use it. Now it says that it is a quick and easy system that is hard to beat. It is salon quality product that can be used at home and allows you to create a super strong shiny nail that lasts for weeks. So the gel polish outperforms regular nail lacquer with longer lasting wear and durable colour. So natural nails enjoy ultra protection while showing off mirror-like finish, quickly cures in LED or UV light, and the product can be soaked off easily in 10 minutes without drilling or filing. So it sounds like a good polish. I do have a UV light already. The next product in here is the only makeup product in the box this month, so that was super disappointing. But it is from Bourjois and it's a liquid eyeliner in gold. So it retails for $20.95. So this is how it comes. It's really skinny in a gold packaging. Now it says whether you're an aspiring makeup artist or a hardcore beauty guru, Bourjois has you covered from your subtle foundations to your statement eyewear. So bringing you a liquid gold treat with subtle pigmented colour to make that statement look from France, meet Bourjois Cosmetics. This liner will glide on smoothly and last all day. Now on here it actually says it lasts up to 24 hours and it is waterproof. So let me see if I can open this. Oh, it is a really nice colour. It's a really nice like gold colour. So it's definitely something I'd be interested in trying. And this is what it looks like as a swatch. That is actually really, really pretty. So I'm excited to get this. I don't know if I would pay $20.95 for a small bottle like this. For example, this is the size next to a mini tattoo liner. So it's about the same size. And then next to a full-size tattoo liner from KVD Beauty. So it is really, really small. So I don't know if I would pay that much for it, but I will definitely give it a try. So far, it's already dried down on my hand. At the end, we'll see if I can do a wipe test and see how well it sticks to my hand. The third item that we got this month is from L'Oreal, and it is the Pure Clay Red Algae Exfoliating Scrub. It is 150 ml, so full size, and it retails for $15 Australian. So this is what it looks like. So it says here that they have combined 3 pure clays with the cleansing properties of red algae extract to create an exfoliating scrub cleanser that perfectly cleanses and exfoliates the skin. So it sounds really good. The next product that we got in here, I'm not so sure about this one. Like I've seen these for kids, but not necessarily for adults. It is a jelly spa bath. So it's from Avery Gel O. And it's a jelly spa pedi bath which retails for $10 Australian. So it says the Gel O Jelly Spa is the ultimate spa experience for a relaxing treatment that uses heat therapy to soothe aching joints with muscles, cool off and relieve irritated skin with a refreshing jelly pedicure. It's free of parabens, phthalates and close on. Don't know how to pronounce all those, sorry. So it basically says to fill your foot bathtub with warm water and sprinkle jelly bath step 1 over the surface, and the water will turn into a marvelous jelly. Stir well and then soak feet as needed and massage with the jelly. Then you add dilution minerals step 2 to the foot bath to dilute the jelly and stir well. If needed, add more warm water and soak for 3 to 5 minutes more to absorb the minerals into the skin. So this is what it looks like. I am interested to see about this one, but yeah, I've only ever seen like kids use these in their baths, not like adults use them as like a foot bath. So interested to find out about that one. And the lucky last product here is from Natio, and it's a Rosewater Hydration Drench Mineral Face Mist. It is 75 mils and it retails for $14.95. So it just looks like this. Basically it says instantly refresh and rehydrate your skin with this microfine mist formulated with skin balancing rosewater and hyaluronic to deliver vital natural moisture for deep and lasting hydration. It can be used over makeup, anywhere, anytime, for all skin types. So that sounds pretty good as well. Unfortunately, this was full of a lot of like skincare and products that I wouldn't really use for myself. So this box I'm not too impressed with, unfortunately. But let's tally up the total and see whether it was worth value for money. So today's box was valued at $79.85. We paid $33.33. So it's definitely worth the value for money, but unfortunately for me, it wasn't really worth it to myself. We will be stopping at the end of this 3 months. So I think either this one is my last one or next month is my last box with these guys. Just because I really do want more makeup than skincare, and I tend to get a lot more skincare products, which I'm not going to use myself. So jumping back in quickly, I actually finished the video off and then I just remembered when I went to look at my hand that I want to see how this comes off. So I'm going to just use my finger to start off with. So this is what the gold swatch looks like. Now let's see if it smudges at all with me doing this. So I'm trying to get something off. Nothing is happening. That is stuck on there. Alright, let's try a baby wipe. I don't use makeup wipes because I tend to react to them. But let's try a baby wipe. Normally I can get a swatch off with a baby wipe. Okay, so it comes off with a baby wipe, but it wouldn't smudge with my hand, with my finger. So I'm really excited to give that a try. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!